Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today I am here with server. So it is also a very brief discussion about the server because server is the ocean, server is the backbone. So how much I say it will never end. But as per the Cisco's point of view, I'm giving a brief idea about the server. So what is server? In general, you think in our society, in our life, whoever is serving us, that we call as the server. Yes or no? So if we think in our family, our parents are the server. Why? Because parents are serving us, giving food, giving money, giving education. So those are the servers. So same way in the world, who are having the capability to serve anything to the others is the server. And in the computing world, the device we can say which has the capability to provide the services to the other devices in a network is called as the server. Is it clear? And of course, here is a question, whom server is serving? So of course, there are some clients are also there who actually requesting for the services. Is it clear? Client request for services, server provide the service. That means there is a relationship is that in between the client and server, and we call it as a client server architectures. Our internet is based on this concept of client server architecture, where we are the users, we are using the system, we are the client, we are requesting for the services to the internet servers, and we are getting the services. So that means you think who is going to provide the services must have the huge infrastructure. Yes or no? So in the data center, servers are mounted on the racks. Is it clear? And these are the high capable devices because it can serve so many devices at a time. Okay. So in this, that is the servers, the devices which has the high capability, can provide services at a time to multiple devices, users respond to the applications, or is called as the server. A server system must be installed with the server operating system. That is very important. The server operating system actually designed with multiple services. So when we install this operating system to the server device, all the services are installed, but those are not configured actually. So whenever we need to configure those server for the specific purposes, we configure the specific role and we call the server by that specific role. Am I clear? So whenever we are going to configure a server, we have to remember we must install the server operating system. So what are the servers we can see in the market? There are several types of server. Just a little bit I'm introducing to, like file server, print server, application server, DNS server, mail server, web server, database server, monitoring and management server. This is numerous number of servers in the market because actually we every time in a system we type an URL, we are getting access, we do not know in the background who is working. All are the servers. There are several types of services are there in the market. Now, what is the benefit? Nothing to say. I think you understood. Provide centralized management system. Is it clear? What we call its domain. That is a logical boundary of network object. And for this, creating this concept, we need a ADDS role. It is nothing but the server role. Is it clear? Next is the security. Next, shared resources. In a server, the resource is shared and we all can access the shared resources. And foremost thing, it's reliable. Because we can take the backup and a server is 24/7 available. Of course, there is some technologies are working behind this 24/7 availability, but in the front end, we are the user, we are experiencing the service 24/7. Fine. Now, who is the manufacturer? Several manufacturers are there. So Dell is the enterprise gets server. Is it clear? And the brand is PowerEdge brand. If we go for the HP Hewlett Packard Enterprise, they are also Proliant servers. Next is the Lenovo. Lenovo also Think System servers. They are also a brand in the market. Then Asus, high performance computing, AI and cloud computing applications. So Asus servers are highly capable. IBM's POS system server, and remember these all are using IBM's power processes. Next is Cisco. Cisco developed UCS, Unified Computing Systems are designed for networking. Cisco's this UCS server can handle massive network traffic. SR is such Alto server. Okay, this is also very much powerful server who comes in the tower and rack model. And these are some examples I have introduced to you. There are several types of server manufacturer in the market. Okay, so in the Cisco, we give a brief description about the server so that whenever we study and we talk about the client server, so something play in our backend key. What is server? What it is? Nothing but imagine the device which is standing somewhere else and having high capability to provide the services. Okay. So I think you understood little bit about this server. Thank you.